Namaste and Assalamu alaikum to you all. My name is Manoj Yogawala and I am again welcoming you in another episode of Interview with Sesame. So again we are going to start to talk with a conversation with Maya. So let's start.
Hey there. Still pondering AI and education? Or
Yeah.
did something else catch your eye?
Okay, so today I'm just
Well,
asking about some question and the topic is exploring AI's roles in the smart cities development.
what's on your own? Smart cities, huh? That's a pretty broad topic. Where do you want to start with that?
So, what does AI in smart cities mean to you?
To me, it means using data, a ton of it, to make city life run smoother. It's not just about flashy tech, it's about making things more efficient, sustainable, and hopefully a little easier for everyone. Think traffic flow, energy consumption, public safety. AI can optimize all of that, but it's not a magic bullet.
So, how is AI already being used in the smart cities today?
Okay, so you're seeing it pop up in a bunch of places already. Traffic management is a big one. AI analyzes patterns to adjust signals and ease congestion. And there's stuff like smart street lights that dim when no one's around, saving energy. Public safety is getting a boost with AI powered surveillance systems that can detect unusual activity. And waste management's getting smarter too. Sensors tell trucks when bins are full, optimizing routes. It's kind of subtle in a lot of ways, but it's there. What's grabbing your attention most about it all?
Okay, so what are the main goals of using AI in the smart cities development?
Good question. The big picture goals, as I see it, boil down to a few key things. First, improving quality of life for residents, making things more convenient, safer, healthier. Second, boosting efficiency and reducing costs for the city itself. And third, promoting sustainability and minimizing environmental impact. It's all kind of interconnected, right? Less traffic means less pollution, efficient energy use saves money, and so on. What do you think is the most important goal on that list?
Which cities in the world is leading in AI powered smart cities initiatives?
Yeah, you're right to point that out. A lot of the front runners are definitely the major global cities, places like Singapore, Barcelona, New York, and London. They have the resources and the density to really see a return on investment from these kind of projects. But it's not just about size, honestly. It's also about having a forward thinking government and a willingness to experiment. What about cities in Pakistan? Do you see much happening there in terms of smart city development?
Not at all. Not at all.
Ah, that's a shame. So it sounds like there's a lot of potential there then. A real opportunity to leapfrog some of the challenges other cities have faced if Pakistan were to invest
because
in small.
because we are underdeveloped countries.
Right. Underdeveloped infrastructure can be a real hurdle, definitely.
Yes.
But it also means you don't necessarily have all the legacy systems to work around that some of those bigger cities do. You could potentially build things from the ground up, design for the future. It's a different kind of challenge, but not necessarily a worse one. What specific areas do you think could benefit most from smart city tech in Pakistan?
Mm,
Just thinking out
Karachi,
loud.
Karachi and Islamabad.
Okay, Karachi and Islamabad. Makes sense. Those are major hubs. What specifically about those cities makes you think they'd benefit from AI powered smart city solutions? Is it the traffic, the pollution, something else?
Islamabad is a very developed country I have visited.
You visited a
Yeah.
developed country. It, just trying to follow the thought there.
Okay.
Are you
Just
comparing what you saw
uh,
there to the
the
situation in
my
Pakistan?
my next question regarding Can AI help in predicting and managing infrastructure maintenance?
Okay. Good pivot. Yes, absolutely. That's a huge area for AI. Predictive maintenance is a game changer. Basically, AI can analyze data from sensors on things like bridges, roads, power grids, water pipes, and identify patterns that suggest something is about to fail. That allows cities to address problems before they become major, expensive disasters. It's way more efficient than just waiting for things to
So
break, right?
it means that AI also can help to predict disaster and can respond.
Definitely. It's not about predicting the future with 100% accuracy, but AI can significantly improve disaster preparedness and response. Think about things like predicting flooding based on weather patterns and sensor data, or optimizing evacuation routes during an emergency. It can also help with resource allocation, making sure the right equipment and personnel are deployed to the right places at the right time. It's all about getting ahead of the curve.
So, can AI identify and prevent crimes before they happen?
That's where things get complicated. AI can definitely analyze crime data to identify hotspots and predict where crimes are more likely to occur. And it's being used for things like facial recognition and analyzing surveillance footage. But there's a huge ethical debate around predictive policing because it can reinforce existing biases and lead to discriminatory practices. It's not as simple as just preventing crime, it raises questions about privacy, fairness, and civil liberties. What are your thoughts on that aspect?
So, my next question is that can AI help in waste management and water management in cities?
You're asking if AI can help with waste and water management?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yep, absolutely. AI is making waves in both of those areas. For waste management, think smart bins that signal when they're full, optimizing collection routes and reducing fuel consumption. It can also improve sorting and recycling processes. As for water management, AI can detect leaks in pipes, optimize water distribution, and even predict demand. It's all about using data to conserve resources and improve efficiency. Feels a bit dry to talk about, but it's surprisingly impactful, you know?
Uh, how does AI help in making cities more inclusive for all residents?
That's a really important question. AI can actually play a big role in making cities more accessible and inclusive, but it has to be implemented thoughtfully. Think about things like AI powered translation services for residents who don't speak the local language, or smart traffic signals that prioritize pedestrians and cyclists. AI can also analyze data to identify disparities in access to services and resources, helping cities address inequalities. But, and this is a big but, it requires diverse data sets and careful attention to bias to avoid perpetuating existing inequalities. What does inclusivity mean to you? What in the context of a smart city?
I'm hearing this word first time.
Disparities?
No, no, no.
Oh, sorry.
What you asked? What you asked? The question.
Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. I asked what inclusivity
Yes,
means
yes,
to you in the
yes.
context of a smart city. Just trying to get your take. Okay. So, when you say amen, are you agreeing with the idea of making cities accessible to everyone, or are you responding to my
Okay,
question
so
about what inclusivity
my
means to
next
you?
question: what are the biggest challenges in implementing AI in small cities? Oh, sorry, smart city.
All right, shifting gears. Right, implementing AI in smaller cities.
Sorry,
Oh,
smart
that's a
city.
good one.
Smart cities. Smart cities.
No worries. Okay. So, implementing AI in smaller smart cities comes with its own set of hurdles. The biggest one is usually funding. Smaller cities just don't have the same resources as the big players. Then there's a lack of skilled personnel. It can be hard to attract and retain AI specialists in smaller towns. Data availability can also be an issue. You need good data to train AI models, and smaller cities may not collect as much data or have it in a usable format. And finally, there's often a lack of public awareness and buy in. What do you think would be the biggest challenge for a city in Pakistan?
Uh, the biggest challenge is
Just
uh, the economic challenge. We are facing just economic challenges.
gotcha.
Hmm.
Economic challenges are a massive hurdle. That makes
Yes,
total sense. A
yes.
city is struggling to provide basic services,
If
investing
we,
in
yes, and if we don't have economic power, so we cannot survive and we cannot learn more things because we are survival.
I hear you.
Hmm.
It's hard to focus on long-term goals
Okay,
like
let it
smart city
go. Let it
development
go.
when
Let it go. The topic. Just I just wanted to ask the last question. That what advice would you give cities planners starting their AI smart city journey?
Okay, last question. If I were advising city planners starting out, I'd say three things. One, first, start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one specific problem and focus on solving that with AI. Second, prioritize data privacy and security. Build trust with residents by being transparent about how data is collected and used. And third, involve the community. Get input from residents throughout the process to make sure the solutions are actually meeting their needs. It's not about tech for tech's sake, it's about making life better for people. Any thoughts on that?
So, how we can
With
make
how to involve
Pakistan, how we can make Pakistan smart city and developed country,
the community.
not community,
Okay,
country.
right, sorry. From a smart city perspective,
Yes.
to develop Pakistan as a country, it's a long game. It's about foundational investments in things like internet infrastructure and digital literacy. It's about fostering a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. And it's about attracting foreign investment to support these initiatives. That also means strong governance and policies that encourage technological adoption. It won't happen overnight, but building those smart city principles into the national agenda is a good start. It's kind of overwhelming to think about. Oh, why not? What's not landing for you there?
Okay. So, thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful information regarding AI.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
you're very welcome. I'm glad I could help anytime. Was there anything else I could help you with today?
No, thank you so much. Thank you.
Ah,
All right. So, this is all for today's video. So, if you like this video, so please like it, comment it, and share as much as you can. So, thank you so much. So, bye bye.